The definition of insanity: doing the same thing over and over again and expecting different results. A lot of us do that. We're the same way. What we do is we lift the same weights day after day, do the same exercise day after day, year after year, and we wonder why excuse me, we don't see different results. The definition of insanity. Because we're doing the same thing, so we're expecting different results. If you're lifting the same weight you lifted last year, and then you wonder why you're not making progress, it's because you're doing the same thing over and over again. Your body's adapting to it. So all you're doing is maintaining the body you have. If you want to grow, when you want to change, you want to see results, whatever your goals are, you got to push and challenge your body. If you run the same distance day after day, year after year, and you don't increase the intensity, you're gonna have the same results. If you want to change what you look like, you want to change what you do, same thing in life. If you work in the same job day after day in the same position and you don't change it, then you can have the same results. If you want different results when you work out, you want different results in life, you have to change what you do. So you have the same 10-pound dumbbells in your garage or in your house that you worked out with for the past year, and you got the same physique, or if not worse than you had before, it's because you never changed yourself. The only way to change is to push your body. If you build muscle, you burn more calories. If you build muscle, your body will adapt and change. If you push yourself and you go from 10 to 15 to 20 to 25 pounds and you're increasing your strength over time, then you're gonna see results. But as long as you stay with the same weights and say, well, I'm good with these, and you just buy one set of dumbbells and use the same weight day after day, you're never going to change. If not, you're just wasting your time. You might as well be that same hamster in the wheel just running in circles. You're never going to get anywhere. So if you want to see results, you got to push yourself. You got to make yourself do things you make you feel uncomfortable. Yeah, it's going to hurt for a little while. It's cause some pain. But like I said before in my other videos, if you go through the pain, at the end of the road, you see the glory. So you have to do that first. You have to push yourself. So once you push yourself past the limit and you think, I can't do anymore, if you're only doing 10 reps, push yourself to 12. If you can do 12 reps, you need to go heavier. If you go heavier, push yourself. Every 3 to 6 months, try to add 5 pounds. Add 10 pounds. See how much more you can do. Like I said, if you want to see different results, you got to push yourself. So if you're only using the 10-pound dumbbells you had in your house or your garage for years and years on end, you're never going to see a difference. If you're only running or taking a walk the same distance, you're never going to see a difference. You got to increase the intensity, increase the amount that you work out. Definition of insanity: doing the same thing over and over again, expecting different results. Don't be insane.